beautiful friends, welcome to Sparkler. Today we are going to learn how to do infinity thread ponytail. Those who are new at my channel and haven't subscribed the channel yet, so please like the video, share it, subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon to get notified. I'm clamping the hair section by section with Q&A clamping iron to create volume. Tie a ponytail, take a thread and knot it around the hair elastic. Take some section of hair to cover the hair elastic and the thread. Divide the hairs into two equal strands. Rotate the thread over and under the second strand. Now over and under the first strand. Let's watch the steps again. First, bring the ribbon over the second strand, then under the second strand. Bring it over the first strand, then under, over the second strand, under the second strand. In this screen, I used cotton ribbon to make steps more clear. Now, you may use hair clippers or ask someone to help you out holding the strands. Take a tiny hair section away from the second strand and rotate the thread around it, over and under. Do the same on the first strand. Watch carefully the steps again. Take a tiny section away from the second strand. Rotate the ribbon over and under the second strand. Take a tiny section away from the first strand. Bring the ribbon over, then under the first strand. Continue repeating these steps all over the hairstyle until you are left with few hairs in both strands. If you are having trouble in understanding these steps, rewind the video to the clip in which I am doing this hairstyle with cotton ribbon. This hairstyle needs some practice, but trust me, you will do your best. Once you reach to the end, tie the thread and few hairs left on the strands with an hair elastic. Take off the clippers and release the hairs off. Adjust the hair once. I would like to thank this beautiful girl who came up twice and showed love to Sparkler. I hope you enjoyed the video. Do give it a try to this hairstyle and let me know your feedbacks.